Fire like fountain shot up from the ground. The new is born while the old is burnt down. As the smoke rises from our burning home, I understand this land I never owned. By the strength of our muscle and our bone, my family, we built this home. Now an offering devoured by her fire. Unto this queen we give what is desired. Pele say, Pele, I heard Pele say, Pele, I heard Pele say, Pele, I heard Pele say. This is Pele's way. This is Pele's way. Down at Fisher 17, I heard the voice of the queen say, no people, no nation, no one, no religion will own this earth.